Hello and welcome to Developer Learning Zone, brought to you by me, your instructor Alex Headley. And in this TechHelp video we're going to learn how to install SSMS. So in the previous video we installed SQL Express, and you can see there's an install SSMS button inside the Express installer. You can also go back to the SQL Server downloads, scroll down, there's more information about where you can install it, but then there's some SQL tools and drivers and SQL Server Management Studio. So if you click on download now, that'll open up MS Learn and give you some details on the installer. I have this previously downloaded and it's using Visual Studio installer. You might not know this, but Visual Studio is what powers SSMS, so it uses the same installer to configure. So this screen may be similar to something you've seen before when we've installed Visual Studio. You can see there's workloads, individual components, language packs, installation locations. So you'll see that version 22 is going to be installed here. We're just going to default to English. We can add other tools at a later date, and any of the main workloads, but I'm just going to default with the core components and click install. Now this may take a few minutes, so again I'm going to pause the video and get back to you when it's done. And as you can see, it's now finished installing SSMS 22. You can do the same as you would with Visual Studio and modify launch or other options. We're going to launch this. It'll open up for the first time. It'll ask you if you wish to sign in. This can add extra features to the IDE like Copilot, things like that. I'm just going to skip and add accounts later, and then it'll open the tooling. So you can see you can sign in the top right if you wish, and Copilot's already shown there. Because we've not connected to any databases before, our recent connections are blank. You can fill in the server name and change the authentication type and which database you want to connect to. Now, if you can't remember which database you need to connect to, you can browse. There's various different options. You can connect to Azure ones, etc. We're just going to search for local. You can see that from the install of SQL Express in a previous video, that's available. I'm going to trust the server certificate and connect. And then, as you can see, we can expand, and we have the default databases, master, model, MSDB and TempDB. Master has some tables in it, some system tables that help with monitoring of the other databases that we will create in future videos. So that's it for today's video. We'll be back in another video soon to show you how to add a brand new database from scratch. See you soon.